Hello YouTube, this is Provenzano, and today I'm going to be bringing you uh, project I did in class. It says here postfix notation, but I call it barely functioning postfix notation. Okay, so it's already compiled, so do Java, where am I? Project flag. Sorry, yeah, so it's already compiled. Project 5. And then we're going to pass an argument in. We're going to do 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 minus 5 plus 1. It's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. I don't know why anyone would ever use this. But as you can see, it returns 5. So what it's going to do is it's going to do these two plus, it's going to add these. So 5 and then 5. Then this will be replaced with 5, and then I'll do 5 and 4. 5 plus 4, so that's 9. 9 minus 5, that's 4. And wait, hold on. 9 minus, yeah. I don't know. Sorry. All this crap, this horrible thing is just confusing the hell out of me. Plus 1, yeah, it's 5. And so how it works. This thing was a pain in the ass. Well, it wasn't really a pain in the ass. Like, I understand how the logic worked, but as you can see, the Java, I hated Java's terrible. You have to do, we had to do character at. I don't know if we really had to do that, but well, yeah, because it was in an array. We're passing. So this is it. Here's all we do is just pass in arguments and then print it out. And then so this is just testing if the length is 1. Then do this. This doesn't do anything. I would not hire myself as a developer if I saw this crap. See, we're instead of doing something, we're just assigning it because we don't need anything. And if it's not 1, if the length is not 1, then what we're going to do is this. We are going to parse the first 3. This is why it's barely functioning, because we only parse the first 3. That means we can only have 1 character numbers, and if it goes over let's do, if it goes over 1 character, yeah, index out of range, yeah, but you know, I don't know, I feel like this could be heavily improved. Anyways, yeah, we get the first 3, we parse the first 3 characters, 1 to 3, and what we do is we loop through each one of them, and if it's this was kind of pointless because I thought I would do add spaces, but then I didn't. So this line's pretty pointless. We essentially loop through, and if the character we're looping through is not equal to one of these, then add it to the holder as a string. But we're gonna parse that from a character. It's just a bunch of crap. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like having to turn a character into a string and then parse it as a character at. I think that's pretty stupid. But at the same time, I don't really like Java. I like C++ better. That's better. And then after we add, since we're looping through all of the three, we're looping through 3 characters. It's just gonna do this. It's just gonna, yeah. It's so it's gonna, this is gonna add 1 to the character, to the holder, and then this is just nonsense. And now we're going to find the operator. So if the operators, if the characters, if we find the operator and then we current equals that, then what we'll do, and since it's going to loop through, we're going to do that. We're going to catch the 2 characters and, or the 2 numbers and the operator, and then we're going to, current is the operator, the variable, and we're going to check if it's any one of these, and then we're going to do this based on which one we found. We'll add, divide, multiply, or subtract them, and then we will, this string might have been pointless because I don't know, and then parse string int, we convert it to an int. We convert a string to an, we convert this integer to a string, and then we concatenate strings. This is the concatenation. We concatenate string with the, so what this does is it adds 3 to, so this will remove the first 3 characters and just add that, the one up there that we did. So what it's going to do, it's going to add these 2 based on this operator, and then it's going to replace this entire, it's going to add these, make it a 9, and then just remove that and replace that with the 9, or the 5. So it's 5, 4, plus 5, minus 1. And then we are going to do this recursively. So it keeps going and keeps going until the length is 1, and then it will return. So let's do 9. Pretty cool, but I don't know, it made me really angry doing all this character to string parse. Okay, I didn't really learn anything from my first Java class. I mostly just copied and pasted, and I'm in Java 2 now, and it's not like Java. The teacher doesn't really put difficult things. Like I haven't really learned too much. I think that's mostly me. But you know, this could be improved, and I was lazy. But I got it working. Yeah, this probably took me like 30 minutes to do. But yeah, that's about it.